So this is the time of the year where I tend to work a lot of overtime. Go to work, come home, go to bed, and go back to work. But I've got a shortage of nest boxes, and I really need to get that fixed. So a couple weeks ago, I had some new chicks arrive, and I put them in the big coop over here to use for a brooder. There's a door there on the back. I don't know if you can see it. I manually closed it, but the problem that's created is the hens no longer have access to those 3 nest boxes back there. Baby chicks are doing well. So them hens are being creative and finding new places to lay eggs. Hey, Mr. Ed. One place they're laying is here in the Bantams coop on the ground. Got this one single nest box, and I've got 2 more nest boxes over in the big run. Looks like we've been blessed with a little bit of rain today. I think some of the hens might be laying eggs out in the woods because egg production has dropped. Maybe they're just stressed out because they don't have a place to lay. I've still got those 3 plastic tubs sitting up here on top of the Bantams run. So I'm gonna take those inside the big coop over there and find a place to attach them to the wall. So we've got a lot of hens around here. Very few nest boxes. Over here in the big run, I've only got these 2 nest boxes in the corner, and as you can see, they're occupied already. This little girl here, she's broody. She won't get off the nest for nothing. She's sitting on a few. So with those 2 plastic tubs and the 3 over there on top of the Bantams run, I think I'm just going to attach them all to the wall right here. Have a total of 5 nest boxes, kind of like I had a few months ago. Well, I need to get as many of these chickens out of my way as I can. Feel like I'm going to be stepping on them. They're under my feet. There, I think that'll do. These 2 here may need a little encouragement to leave. Six eggs in there, 3 and 3. You're a good girl, Charlie. Are you staying out of the rain? Those 2 plastic crates are just attached to that table that I used to have my water barrel on. I know there's a screw down in there somewhere. Oh, there it is. Alright, get those out of the way. Then we'll get this little table out of the way. I'm sure it's attached using a couple screws somewhere. Or maybe one. There's another one. So the plan is to attach 4 or 5 of them nest boxes right along the bottom of this wall. Whatever amount I can get on there. It's only about 3 foot off the ground, so chickens won't have no trouble flying up to them. Hopefully by doing this, I'll get more eggs in the nest boxes instead of scattered around in hiding places. So I ordered a solar-powered shed light the other day. I believe it comes with a remote control. Should be here pretty soon. Plan is to put it here inside the big run. Come in handy at night or days like today when it's clouded up and raining and it's dark in here. Can't see very well. Well, thank you, Mr. Red. So I'm going to be attaching these plastic crates with some oversized lag bolts. So that's all I got. Why didn't you tell me that chicken tried to run off with my nest box? That worked out pretty good. Alternated them one long ways, one sideways, and so on. They just barely fit. It's almost like I planned that out. But I didn't. Let's see if we can find some straw. May have grabbed a little bit more than I needed. Give me a minute, I'll put some straw in there for you. All right, I think we're done with that for today. Got something else I need to take care of. I think it's only about 3 o'clock. So with these clouds and rain, it's really dark in that big run over there. I'd be almost scared to stick my hand in that nest box, afraid I'd get a hold of a black snake and not even know it. I got to get some lights in there. So these chicks are needing a little bit more room. They're flying up here roosting on this divider. I see a lot of droppings on the other side, so not sure why they haven't flown over. So I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way, throw some pine shavings over in this area, give them a lot bigger space to roam around in. I might be spooking them a little bit right now, but here in a little bit, they're going to appreciate me. grab that camera. We'll take another look at them. They're a little bit scared right now. We'll give them a minute to calm down. So they're right around 2 weeks old. I've had them out a few times, put them on the ground. I've grabbed a broody hen or two and put in here to see what she'd do, but she didn't want nothing to do with them. Eventually, I'm going to open up the door over here in the corner so they can get out. They'll do a little free ranging on their own. Hopefully they'll see what the other chickens are doing, or I'll let them know what to do. Well, I've went and got all my hair wet, but I appreciate y'all watching this afternoon, and I'll catch you next time here at Diddle-Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.